Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a nice 15 to maybe 20-minute workout. It's gonna be no equipment, a lot of pretend jump rope, sit-ups, push-ups, squats, things of that nature, a lot of cardio. We're gonna use the whole body today. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. We're starting off with 2 minutes of pretend jump rope. So nice warm up today. 2 minutes of pretend jump rope starting in about 5 or 6 seconds. You guys ready to go? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And we're just jumping rope. Get off the ground a little bit so you're the world's best jump roper. So it doesn't look like you're getting off the ground at all, but move those arms. Nice full 2-minute warm up before we get started. So we have 10 different exercises. 5 of them are jumping rope. So 5 different exercises, or 6 if you include the jump rope. Just gonna go through the whole thing as quickly as possible. Nice and easy. Hey, thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. I haven't introduced myself. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. This is my channel. I've been here for about over 6 years right now. And I post workouts every Monday and every Thursday. And during that time, we have never, ever missed an upload. So there are over 6 years, about 700 full workouts between 10 and 25 minutes on this channel. So make sure you come back for more. Anyway, that's enough about me. Let's continue with the workout. We got another minute of jumping. Warming up, getting that heart rate going. Then we're gonna jump down on the ground. Jump down on the ground, does that make any sense? We're gonna get down on the ground and do 25 sit-ups. But we still have another 40 seconds left here. So keep going with me. Keep jumping, keep moving. Burn out some of those calories. There's gonna be no stopping during this workout today. We're going straight through these 10 exercises. Now 25 seconds left, keep it up. Keep moving, you got this. 15 seconds, let's go. You guys are doing great. I'm doing great, I'm feeling warmed up. It's amazing how much my shoulders get affected by this. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, let's get down on the ground for some sit-ups. Good old classic exercises. I don't care where you put your hands. If they're behind your head, if they are, do not yank on your neck. If they're in front of you, that's great. Same thing with your legs. I don't care if they're bent straight as long as we're sitting up. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 25. 1. I just want you to control that movement throughout. 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of counting right now. I apologize. But let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 10. Almost halfway there. 1. Come on. 2. Keep moving. 3. Now we're past halfway there. 4. 5. Gives us 10 more. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Notice my pace, nice and consistent. 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. Make sure you get all the way down. And there we go. All right, we're getting back up, back to our jump rope, but this time we're just doing it for 1 minute. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Keep jumping. 1 minute, so we got this nice and easy. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're moving straight through today. Nice and short workout. Hey, all you got to do is, 2, 3, maybe 4 times a week. That's all the fitness you guys will need. I'm 54. This is all the fitness, trust me, you'll need. You don't need big muscles. You don't need to be much stronger. Just need to maintain what you got. Get a little bit stability, mobility, build up a little bit of strength by doing this. and you'll feel much better. Keep it up. 15 seconds left, I think. I think we started at 15 seconds. Anyway, I'm stopping in about 10 seconds. It's gonna be close enough for me and for us, so keep going. 5 seconds left. Keep jumping. 2, 1, and relax for 2 seconds. All right, the relaxation period is over. We are doing squats, air squats right now. We're going for 50. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, apologize for all the counting. 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. 5 more. We're gonna be halfway there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway. Downhill. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. That's 30. We got 20 left. Keep going. Keep moving. 1. Work those legs. 2, 3. The more we go, the better the range of motion gets, the better we'll feel. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep moving. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, shake those feet out for 5 seconds. We're back to jumping rope. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1 minute. Keep it up. Keep going with me. Like I said, not many breaks during this workout. We try to get through this as quickly as possible. A little bit of cardio, a little bit of strength. Keep it up. After this, we're gonna be halfway done with our workout. So right on schedule for about 15 minutes or so. 20 more seconds left. Keep jumping. Keep moving. We're working those shoulders right now. We're working those legs. Doing a little bit of plyometric work. Strengthening those legs and their rebound. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we are done with the seconds. Let's get down on the ground for push-ups. I don't care how you guys do your push-ups. I don't care if you're on your knees, if you are doing a perfect form, wide arms, narrow arms. If you're doing wall push-ups, perfectly fine, as long as we get 25 done. Are you guys ready to go? Clean up this carpet a little bit. Nice plank, push-up position, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep it up. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And guess what? We're done with the push-ups. Guess what we're doing? We're jumping rope. Let's give ourselves 5 more seconds, mainly because it's easier for me to look at the clock. 2, 1, and let's go. Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel better. Takes a while to warm up, right? Now my jumps are much more jumpy, I should say. Keep it up, keep going. 45 seconds left of jumping rope. Then we're gonna move on to the wall squat. And we're gonna see if we can do that for a grand total of 2 minutes. Nice isometric work. Strengthen those tendons in those legs, especially around the knee area. Keep it up for now. I think we have 20 seconds left. My brain doesn't work all that well when my heart rate is high. Anyway, you're following me, so just stop when I stop. Don't worry about it. 10 seconds, keep it up. Let's go. Keep jumping. 5, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. All right, I'm gonna give ourselves a little bit of time. It's gonna be 2 minutes of supporting the structure of this house. You guys ready to go? In 10 seconds. Once again, it'll be easier for me to keep track of the clock. 5, 4, start dropping. 3, 2, 1, and hold. And we have 2 minutes right here sitting. Pretend to be sitting. And we got this, right? 2-minute wall squat, guys. We're moving right along. This is gonna be some shaky thighs for Paul. I don't know how you guys are doing. I find wall squats to be extremely difficult after about a minute. And considering we're just jumping around, they're extremely difficult after 30 seconds. But we have 90 seconds left. So let's concentrate on pushing against that wall, getting those tendons nice and healthy and strong. That's what we're doing here. So keep going, keep sitting, guys. Hey, if you're extra brave, you can put extra weight on your quads if you need extra more weight. I'm okay, thank you very much, however. We have a little more than a minute left. Legs are starting to shake, they're starting to burn. But you know what? As soon as we stand up, that burn is gonna be over. So let's wait another 30 seconds before we do that. 30 seconds, I should say, let's wait another 60 seconds. 30 seconds will be heavenly and they'll be quitting, and we don't do that here. So keep going. I don't care if your butt's sliding down the wall right now. Keep pressing and keep pushing. My legs are burning too, but I'm going to survive no matter how much they burn and how much they shake. And we have just over 30 seconds left, so keep it right here. Press everything you got against the wall as hard as you can. Do not slide down. 25 seconds left, keep it up. This is very leg heavy workout today, but you know what? These guys are important. Much more important than, your upper body right now. This is your balance and your stability when you walk up and down the stairs, getting out of bed, getting off the toilet, everything counts. I am shaking like crazy, but I only have 5 seconds left. Thank God. 3, 2, 1, and we're up. All right, let's shake these suckers out for a little bit. And we got 2 minutes of jumping rope. Almost the finale, but not quite yet. We have 2 exercises left. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Oh yeah, all feels nice. After being stuck in that position, the movement again is glorious. So keep it up. Stay with me. We're almost done. We're about 14 minutes in, a little bit less than 14 minutes into this workout. So keep going. Jump rope with me until I say stop. That's all. You don't need a clock. You don't need anything else. You just need to look at your TV, your tablet, your computer, your phone, whatever the heck you're following on, and just keep going. We started off with 2 minutes. We're finishing up with a nice strong 2 minutes also. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 1 minute left. Don't stop now. At least I think it's 1 minute. I'm going an extra minute. You're going an extra minute. Let's go, let's jump. Come on. Move those arms. Don't forget those arms. It's not this. We're not doing this type of jumping. We're doing this type of jumping. We're jumping rope for another 45 seconds. Keep going. Keep moving with me. This is it. This is it. This is our last part of cardio. A little bit more strength work left. 1 exercise. The preview is going to be coming up soon. Remember what I said, leg focus today. We did a little bit of core, we did some chest, but a lot of legs. 15 seconds left. Now I can reveal what we're doing. We're going to be doing lunges. 30 lunges. No weights required. This is a no equipment workout. If you don't want to make it challenging, more challenging, do some weights. Anyway, we got 3 seconds left. 2 seconds left. 1 second. Walk it off a little bit. Stretch it out. And we are doing 30 lunges. I like doing them to the side, pretending I'm holding some dumbbells. You go as deep as you can. Remember, they might not be as deep in the beginning, and about 10, 15 into the exercise, they might get better. So do the best that you can. I'm going to, ready? 3, 2, 1, side lunge. 1. Yes, slow. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6. This is it, guys. This is the end of the workout. This is the finale. 8, 9, 10. Only 20 left. Just 10 per leg. Look at it that way. Maybe it's only 10 repetitions left. Depends how you count, right? Don't lose your balance, even though you're tired. 15, we're halfway there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 left. 5 per leg. 1 and 1. Come on. 2, we got this. 2, keep pushing. 3 and 3. 2 more full reps. 1, 1, last 1, 1, and this is it. And 2. And we are done, guys. Give yourselves a hand. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. As I mentioned, this is Fit After 50. This is our little basement workouts every Monday and every Thursday. Today was kind of an all-arounder for about, 15 minutes or so of actual working out. Once again, thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, give me a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.